back, YouTube. It's your girl Rochelle, and I am back with another video. Thank you for tuning in to my Goodbye July series, where I have been dropping a video every single day to celebrate the end of what has been an amazing magic month, July 2021. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome. How are you? Sit down, take a seat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I like to have fun budgeting, playing around with numbers, sharing actual numbers and experiences with you guys on the road to debt freedom. And if that's something you'd be interested in, then stick around. Okay. So in today's video, it is time for me to share how it went for our July budget. That's right, we're doing a July 2021 budget closeout. So I'm about to share real numbers, how it actually went, no guessing, no maybes. This is actual stuff right here, okay? And if you are new to the whole budgeting thing, then I hope you appreciate the way that I lay out my budget. I use pen and paper for on the go. In fact, we are about to start traveling soon, and so everything's packed up. I don't have time to make it cute in my planner, but this is how I stick to budgeting no matter what. I don't let life get in the way. And so here we go. So I have my layout right here. And what I like to do is to spread my income across different buckets. So that way I can see exactly where my money went. So first I'm going to go over the actual numbers and share how we spent our money in the month of July. And then I'm going to do an income breakdown where I share just exactly how much of our money went to what. And so I like to do that to make sure that we're accomplishing our goals. We do have long-term goals. Our current goal for the summer is to stash as much cash as possible. So that's what you're basically going to see. That's the vibe you're going to get in this video. So let's see. Let's start it off with income. Total income for the month of July, this is like one of our craziest months ever, is $24,000. That's right, not $2,400, $24,727.79. Technically, I could pay off the mortgage, you know, but it's coming. It's soon come in my best patois, okay? Let's talk about it. Okay. Expenses. The first thing we did was stash as much cash as possible. And so the first category we're going to talk about are the electronic sinking funds. So this could be the Hawaii sinking fund, the car sinking fund, any type of short-term or long-term savings that we pull from. We were able to put $16,315.13 in this bucket. Now, that's not to say that there's $16,000 in our Hawaii sinking fund and all our other sinking funds right now, but this is how much we contributed, because sinking funds are made to be spent, and we did have to pay a few things this month, but like, that's crazy. And if I'm being honest, I'm going to put a little star next to it, because I am filming this video Thursday night. No, what is today, y'all? Friday night, which is July 30th. And so technically we have not received a portion of our money. Remember, we're supposed to get our security deposit back from our landlord. Well, that's happening tomorrow. So as soon as I'm gonna meet him at the door, like, what's up? Check the apartment. All right, we're good. All right. Let's hopefully get this money back. So we'll put a little star next to that. So I'll come back in my next budget video and let you guys know how that went. Have you guys ever had to move out of a place and then do the walkthrough, like the post inspection with your landlord? Yeah, that's not cool. That's not cool at all. It's not fun. Alrighty, next up is the debt snowball. Not to be confused with the debt payment section. Debt snowball is strictly mortgage, okay? This is how much we were able to contribute to our mortgage this month. So we put a total of $1,580 to our mortgage. And I have to look it up. I'll let you know for sure in the next video. I think that doesn't include our regular mortgage payment, which is just so awesome. And so, like I said, the common goal was just to save, because we were really low on money, because we have been cash flowing so many different things. And so we really just wanted to pause and put the brakes on everything, okay, and stack this money. Next up are the debt payments. So I put anything in this category that is owed. So say I use a credit card to buy groceries. I put it under here to make sure that I pay that balance off. So for debt payments, $1,570.74 went towards debt payments this month. Now let's see if we can see what any of this is going toward. Okay, just to jump back up to debt Snowball. This is all the money that we put on our mortgage, not including our mortgage payment. So of course, $640 times 2 is $1,280. We sent our regular double payments to the mortgage, but then we had an extra $300 that went to the Hot Girl Summer Savings Challenge. So that is why that number is so high. Plus it was a magic month, you know, we got paid 3 times. So all of that, all hitting at once. Beautiful, baby. Okay, now regular bills got a total of $1,328.71. And what that basically broke down to is rent for our new home, our prorated rent, which was $1,123.45, plus our phone bill, which is usually around $186.09, and my website, GoDaddy renewal, which was $19.17 for the year. Next up is our personal money. So that is money that my husband and I use for whatever we want. We don't have to hold each other accountable for it. It's our blow money. So for that category, we were able to put $1,300 to the side for that money. So that's $400 every time he got paid, plus an additional $100 because I had to reimburse money that I used for my daughter's hair. So that went really well. Okay, next up is the cash. Cash envelopes did its thing. We were able to put $866 towards cash envelopes this month, which is pretty exciting. And if you want to know how that went, check out my savings challenge update video where I share exactly how much we put to each savings challenge. And that even included the re-emerging of the Wednesday weather challenge. Okay, woo! I'm so excited to be doing another savings challenge. This is one that I started earlier in the year, but I had to put the brakes on because I had to focus on saving more money for our renovations. But now that's all done and we can get back to the fun. Okay, next up is just our cold hard savings. We were able to put $742 towards savings. So some of that went towards our emergency fund. That's like an automatic. We have it on auto pay, every pay. And some of it also went to savings challenges that I do electronically. So that would be, I can't remember which one it is, but we'll just put savings challenges. It's been a long month, y'all. This month was probably the craziest month I've had in a long time. I will never set myself up like this ever again because it's not over yet and I can tell already. Yeah. You ever been too busy? Like you need to dial it back. Oh, I was doing too much this month. Okay. Next is the food. And this is a category that I really tried to improve in. And I am proud to report that we kept to our $500 budget. And so that included groceries and eating out. You will see eating out separately down here, but I'll get to that. But any electronic food spending, so takeout, groceries, we stuck to the $500 amount. So go us. Okay, next up is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous got $301.47. So that was for things that I just did not budget for. There was some type of renewal that happened. Like I know we started Spotify and I'm still, the jury's still out. I don't know if I'm really feeling Spotify right now, but we have it for this month. So I need to decide on that by early August. Next up is our giving category. We contributed $200 to our savings account that we keep for giving. We actually give more than this monthly, but we contribute $200 a month no matter what. And I actually think that that's wrong. No, think about it. I might have categorize some money, but usually we give $200 every pay. So it's okay. It's okay. We'll figure it out. The money is there. Next up is the eating out category. We spent $19.99 on eating out. Now, this was money that for some reason I allocated out separately. It really could have gone in this bucket here, but your girl was tired, is tired, was tired, are tired. Okay, I've been packing and I'm a little off. Okay, I'm a little off, but we are pushing through. So just put these two together. Okay, just put them together. Food and eating out. Last but not least are the bank fees. We paid $3.75 in bank fees. There are no mainland banks here, so if you want, I hope I haven't been messing with the mic too much. If you want to take out money, yeah, you have to pay some bank fees or create a bank account. And so I got a little lazy. I got a little busy, not even lazy. I just got way too busy and I could not get to the bank in time to go to the teller to get cash for free. And so I had to pay ATM fees. Okay, so if you add all of this up, you get $24,727.79. Now, usually I don't share the income, but because this is such a buck wild number, I will expound on the matter. So first up is our security deposit. Because we are moving out of our current condo, we anticipate getting $5,500. So off top, that's what that is. Next up, we paid rent and we got reimbursed for it for our current condo. And so that was $5,500. And then we were reimbursed $100 for my husband's car for gas. So that right there is like $11,100. So, this is like beautiful. It's beautiful. You just got to sit and just stare at it. I don't know, y'all. It's really hard for me to not go pay the mortgage off right now. I'm just going to be honest and upfront with you guys. Like, these numbers are just, I'm just so grateful. Like, my husband has been putting in work. He has been putting in work. And then I would say another $1,000 to $2,000 is income from my part-time business. So usually I don't share an income breakdown because, the important part is we made the money. It came through this door, so we're going to budget it and spend it responsibly. But I will tell you, like, a lot of this was just reimbursement. Because they're finalizing us moving here permanently, from temporary to permanent. And so we are accepting all transactions in that department. So if we add all of that up, we definitely get a total of $24,727.79. Now let's talk about the income breakdown. How did we actually do in terms of percentages to different departments, is what I call them. So first up, our electronic sinking funds got, I had to pull it closer because I could not see. My eyes stopped working after a while. 65.98%. Wow, 65.98%. That's amazing because, we were starting to get to the point where we were able to save half of our income every month. So the fact that we tacked on another 15 or 16%, I'm feeling it. Okay. Next up is Debt Snowball. Debt Snowball got 6.39%. Our regular debt payments got 6.35%. Our regular bills came to 5.37%. Our personal play money for my husband and I came to 5.26%. Our cash envelopes came to 3.5%. We saved 3% of our income, and that's cold hard savings to money that we are not allowed to touch unless it's an emergency. Food got 2.02%, and my goal is to stay under 5% of our income for food, so we really did good for that And another reason is because shout out to my friends, family, and everybody who visits who paid for our meals sometimes. This was just beautiful. And I also had friends cook for us. She made us a bomb salad yesterday with food we had left over in the fridge. I love stuff like that. It's the friends for me. Okay, miscellaneous got 1.22%. We gave 0.81% of our income. And we have months where we will, spend a lot more or a lot less. It just depends. Some months we will give 10%, some months 5%, some months 3%. So I'm not really tripping that we really didn't give a lot this month. There weren't really many graduations and all that type of stuff going on. Eating out got 0.08%. Like I said, that's just the tired in me. So really it's still under 3% for food. And then bank fees got 0.02%. So if you add all of that up, it equals 100%. So that is how our July budget review is looking, good people. Let me know in the comments, how did your July go? Did you have a magic month where you paid 3 times? Did you do any summer savings challenges? Let me know what you guys are doing for fun. Are you vacationing? Are you chilling in the house having a nice staycation, a vacation? Are you getting the kids ready for school? Talk to me in the comments. I am so excited. I made it through the Goodbye July series. This is a lot of work, recording, editing, and posting every day for several days in a row while still living your regular amazing life. But I'm just grateful because it is 10:50 p.m. on Friday, July 30th. And so I hope to have this video uploaded sometime between 1 to 2 a.m. on Saturday, July 31st for you good people. So we shall see. But anyway, that's all. Don't forget to tune into my next video because this is, we're going to be talking about August stuff now. So in my next video that I plan on dropping on August the 1st, I will be sharing my passive income. So I am excited to share with you guys what exactly we do for a living, because people keep on asking and we're coming with some answers. Okay. I might get Micah on this one. Okay. We'll see if he feels like messing around with the camera and talking to you guys. I hope he does. He might be in a good mood for that. Okay, guys, until the next video, I will see you. Peace, love, and budgets.